If your design feels too safe, introducing asymmetry through framing can instantly make it more modern. Today, how to create asymmetrical frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting 2 frames of different sizes and place them unevenly across the canvas instead of aligning them perfectly. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for balance. Now select the background and apply a soft gradient or muted tone. Duplicate the larger frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a subtle layered effect. Add thin line elements or shapes to visually connect the frames, lowering their opacity.